Internal PC communication failing because of the Web Services Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. For professional-grade Web Services Library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Web Services Library, the Windows Web Services WWS API. It provides unmanaged routines for building SOAP-based web services, facilitating the data link for enterprise communication manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Web Services Library DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Web Services Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Because the restart didn't stabilize the connection stack, we'll perform a full network synchronization now. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netsh space IINT space IAP space RREESSET, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space WINSOCK space RESEET, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, this process clears the internal network plumbing by purging corrupted configuration caches, ensuring that your connectivity DLLs can re-establish a clean handshake with the OS. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Most individual downloads of Web Services Library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Web Services Library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Web Services Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.